it's Laura with Usborne Reading Corner, and today I wanted to show you inside our fabulous Shine the Light book on a space station. It is just wonderful for anyone who loves space or is curious about space. It talks all about how to get to the space station, what you do when you get there, and how to get back home. And of course, it's got our awesome Shine a Light feature. So these are perfect for bedtime because you really have to use a flashlight to use them. So it says here, take a trip in a rocket and zoom far away from our planet to visit the astronauts who live and work in a space station. And then every page is going to tell a little bit about what's happening, and then it's going to ask a question for your child to really start thinking, what could it be? 3 astronauts will travel to the space station in a spaceship. They will be in space for many months. Can you see what the train is pulling? And then this is the super fun part. Where you can let your child use your phone, your flashlight, whatever, to shine a light behind the page, and then you can see the rocket behind it. So fun! How cool is that? So then when you turn the page, there's going to be more information on the back of the page. The train is moving a huge heavy rocket. The rocket will blast the spaceship into space. The train takes a few hours to slowly move the rocket from the building where it was made to the launch pad. And then it talks about what happens on the launch pad, and then you get to see what happens as the rocket shoots into the air. And you can see the arms fall away. Then 9 minutes later, the spaceship leaves the rocket, which tumbles back down to Earth. But where are the astronauts? Let's shine our light and see. How cool is that? And you can see inside the little module there. And here, I mean, just again, you can see the space station as they approach it. So fun. And what we really love to do with this one is NASA has a ton of videos about the space station up on YouTube. We love to pull those up and let our 2-year-old watch those because she loves this book. And the videos, like, it's exactly like the book. Like, it shows the launch. It shows how they greet each other. It shows how they eat. It shows how they sleep. So this is really fun because you can see the people in the little sleep cabinets, little sleep compartments, and some are upside down and some are right side up because in space it really doesn't matter. Here we're learning about how they have to exercise for 2 hours every day. What is he standing on? Well, there's his little jogging machine, his little treadmill. So super fun. Here's one about what does the Earth look like out of the space station. So it shows you the view, and then it shows you the nighttime view with all the city lights. Talks about what kind of experiments they do on the space station, how it's really there to see how life could exist on another planet potentially. Talks about the space suit and what all is needed for that, and there he is under there. It shows using a robot to do it, how they talk to their families online. Just so much fun. It talks about how their food gets there, and then it will show after 6 months it's time to go home. The astronauts set off in the spaceship, and mission control talks to them to help them land safely. Can you see how the spaceship lands? And then you shine it, and there's the parachute that comes up. At the end, it talks a little bit what happens once they get back home. And on the last 2 pages is further information. Now for us, for our 2-year-old, we're not quite at this page yet, but if you have an older child, they would probably really enjoy getting this more information on the last page. So this one is $12.99, and you can find it on usbornereadingcorner.com.